only because we have Fleetwood Jamaica Limited with us. And today we are here to witness the official handing over of 215 packages plus to our staff. As you know, the pandemic has caused immense strain on the services and the staff. They have been very needed from last year. And we're seeing signs of fatigue, burnout, and I'm sure today with this donation, the staff will feel appreciated and they will feel that extra urge, to continue to give their best. In truth, being a Type C facility in a rural area, this recognition is not always received on this side. As you know, sometimes we tend to feel as if St. Thomas is forgotten. So when I got the call from Miss Pearl, indicating that Miss Italy, we selected you, we're trying to get some packages of Princess Margaret, and all we're asking for is just for you to indicate, to express the challenges we COVID and to encourage staff to comply. It was a winning situation, right? Because only through partnership we will be able to overcome the challenges brought on by this pandemic. And so today, before I know it is customary, and I know I'm not offending anyone, I ask my deputy to just extend and invoke the presidency card before we do the official handing over. And to share with us why Princess Margaret was selected and why this initiative.
Well, Ms. Linda, it was our pleasure. We are, as you said, we're Fleetwood Jamaica Limited, and we've been in the parish for over 50 years. As a matter of fact, this is our 50th anniversary, and so we have always wanted to be relevant to the parish that we find ourselves in. And truth be told, we got the idea of care packages from something that was done similarly for the PPH. I think the Mitchells did it, and I thought if every parish took care of their nurses and their staff, what a wonderful thing that would be. And so we reached out to our partners, Mr. Powell, that more about them, and we asked them, will you help us to bless the staff of Princess Margaret? And we wanted everybody, we didn't just want to do the nurses and the doctors and leave the ancillary staff, because they are the ones who do the grind, they and the nurses are in the field. I think we did it. I think we did it. So I just want to just ask my boss, Mr. Richard Cole, with Managing Director of Fleetwood, to just say a few words and to thank our sponsors.
Yes, so what I want to say is that our factory is in Yala, St. Thomas. So it is our home, the parish of St. Thomas, and it is important that we show our support to the hard-working doctors, nurses, and admin staff of St. Margaret's Hospital. And this is a small token of our appreciation for the hard work that you guys are doing. So it would be remiss of me not to exclude the people who have supported this endeavor. So I want to thank Millennium Pavings, Northside Enterprises, Double Deuce Jamaica Limited, along with the corporate partners Sagicor, Ray and Nephew Foundation, Jamaica Broilers, Grace Kennedy, Honey On, Jamaica Biscuit Company, Purity Bakery, and Woman's Touch. We were able to put together 300 plus packages for all your staff to enjoy. Again, we wish you well and continue doing the fantastic work that you do. And we will keep you in mind and we will pray for you in this very challenging time.
Thank you so much, Mr.
And I'd invite Miss Universe to say a few words. Well, as Jamaicans, we've been affected by the coronavirus pandemic for well over 18 months. And I think that we can all agree that some of the hardest working individuals are in the healthcare system. And so I was very honored to be a part of this initiative, because we really do want you to see how much we as Jamaica and so many of us have caught and recovered from the coronavirus pandemic, and it is with your help. And I know that hospitals have been overwhelmed, and this is, however small of a token of appreciation. I hope that you will know that it is heartfelt from myself and the Orion family and the Fleetwood family. They have a couple businesses underneath us. We do actually. So I am grateful to be here, and I'm so happy that you have welcomed us here today. And